Good morning, all my dear students. In class 6 social, we have almost finished the lesson as well as few question and answer from the lesson agriculture. Today we are going to discuss about the question answers which we have to write in details. So let us start from question number 1. As you can see, answer the following question in detail. Question number 1 is define plantation farming and explain its characteristics. The answer is plantation farming is a form of commercial farming where crops are grown for profit. Now, here as in the picture you can see characteristics of plantation farming are as follows, such as the first one is it involves the growing and processing of a single crop mainly for export. The second point is it requires a huge amount of capital and uses scientific methods of cultivation. Third point, as you can see, this type of farming began with the colonization of tropical and subtropical countries. And the fourth one is crops like tea, coffee, rubber, cocoa, sugarcane, grapes, and banana are mostly grown for plantation farming. Now, the second question is state and explain the geographical factors that influence agriculture. As I have already explained this during the lesson, we have to state and explain the geographical factor that influence agriculture. The geographical factors that influence agriculture are as follows. The first one is climate. The farming methods and cropping patterns depend on climate. The second one is edaphic factor. Edaphic factor relates to the nature of the soil. It deals with the physical and chemical properties of soil and its moisture and humus. And the third point is relief. Topography or relief also has a strong influence on agriculture. Plains and deltas are more for agriculture as compared to hilly areas. Now, the third question. As you can see in the picture, the third question is why is shifting cultivation known as slash and burn method? Shifting cultivation is known as slash and burn method because in this type of farming a selected patch of forest is cleared of vegetation and the trees and bushes are burnt. Then cultivation is carried out. Now let's go to the fourth question, which is the last question of the lesson. And the question is, as you can see in the picture, why did agriculture develop in the river valleys? The answer is agriculture developed in the river valleys because the river flooded their banks and plains, making lands around them fertile. This allowed them to support cultivation. Secondly, fresh water helped in irrigating crops. With this, the lesson of agriculture ended here. In the next class, we will be starting a new lesson from Social Study Class 6. Till then, thank you.